Drink this juice to lower bad cholesterol, unclog arteries, and prevent stroke naturally. The high cholesterol levels and clogged arteries are one of the main causes of heart attacks and strokes, as they obstruct the normal blood flow. But fortunately, there are natural ways to lower this risk. And today, I will show you a simple juice recipe that will help you lower bad cholesterol and clean your arteries naturally. Before going on to the recipe, we want to know your age and the country you are living in. Leave a comment below this video and we will provide the recipes for lowering bad cholesterol using natural ingredients available in your country. Then, click to the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell in order not to miss our next videos. The first ingredient of this recipe is apples. Apples and apple juice contain polyphenols, antioxidant compounds that may help inhibit the oxidation of LDL or bad cholesterol. Oxidation of LDL cholesterol is a cause of plaque buildup in arteries, making you prone to heart attacks and strokes. Apples, especially the skins, are also a good source of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps latch onto the bad cholesterol and guides it through your digestive system and out of your body, helping to lower your LDL cholesterol levels effectively. Now, take 2 apples and cut them into small pieces. Put the apple pieces into a blender. The next ingredient of this recipe is spinach. Spinach is one of the highest dietary sources of lutein, an antioxidant pigment well known for protecting against age-related macular degeneration. These days, more research shows that the lutein may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol. In addition, the potassium and fiber found in spinach help lower your blood pressure and prevent your arteries from getting blocked. Now, put some spinach leaves on a cutting board. Then, chop them and put it into a cup until you have about half a cup of chopped spinach leaves, approximately 15 grams. Pour half a cup of chopped spinach leaves into the blender. The last ingredient of this recipe is parsley. Parsley has an abundance of iron, which is twice more than spinach. This is great for improving the RBC count, which is essential for good heart health. It also promotes the production of good cholesterol and fights bad cholesterol. In addition, parsley contains a large amount of the B vitamin folic acid, or folate, which helps prevent thickening of artery walls. This helps prevent heart disease by preventing blood vessels from oxidative damage. Regular intake of parsley also helps lower blood pressure, as it is rich in potassium. Now, take half a handful of parsley and cut it into shorter parts. Put the parsley into the blender. Then, add 1 cup of water. Run the blender and blend for a few minutes until you have a smooth mixture. You don't need to strain the mixture. Pour it into a cup and drink a cup every day, preferably on an empty stomach.